Shut up! Cops!
Don't shoot! Where are the cops?
We better get out of here. They must have got Harvey.
You stay here.
Hello, Cranston. I knew you'd come over as soon as you learned we'd captured a man at the Hill job.
That wasn't my reason for coming. Developments have occurred which convinced me that someone very close to us, perhaps someone in our confidence, is the Black Tiger.
We've developed something that indicates just the contrary. Besides, I've had men covering every member of the committee day and night, and they're all in the clear. I want you to look at this, Bert. He may give you an idea. Bring in the prisoner.
Where did you get this?
Oh, the man we captured was taken from Hill's safe last night. Some sort of a plan. Can you make anything of it?
What else did you take out of the Hill safe?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Was it your own idea robbing that safe?
It'll be worse for you if it was.
I work for Jory the same as you guys do.
Who hired you to get this?
A big shot by the name of Rand. He promised me $1,000 for the job.
Take him out and lock him up. Rand, why, it's fantastic.
Now, look, Weston, I wouldn't take this too seriously if I were you. In my opinion, that fellow's deliberately lying. Now, look here. These are the plans of an invention that I've made for Hill.
Well, what is it?
Well, I call it a ray nullifier. Like an alternating current, it interferes with the Black Tiger's rays that brings down Hill's airliners.
Well, I'll see how Rand fits in.
No, I wouldn't do that if I were you. Now, these plans give us a chance to get absolute proof.
But I don't understand.
Well, you will. You call a meeting of the Cobalt Club. You tell them you want them to see these plans. Then we'll watch closely and see what happens.
Black Tiger, snap into it.
Police arrested Harvey and unfortunately found Cranston's new ray nullifier plans on him. Tonight, at the Cobalt Club, I intend to get those plans. Undoubtedly, everyone will be closely watched, but that won't stop me. Now listen closely.
I'm sorry, Rand, but the man definitely named you. I hope I haven't offended you, but here it is. My plans stolen from Hill. I've only repeated the story as it came to me.
Ridiculous. Gentlemen, you know that I wouldn't hire a thug to rob a safe. Let me face the scoundrel.
Now, don't worry about it, Rand. We all know that you wouldn't be connected with this affair.
This thing has got me. My nerves are all shot. My reputation, gentlemen.
Oh, forget it, Rand. We've all known you too long to believe anything against you.
Certainly, it's ridiculous, the idea.
Wait a minute, gentlemen. Gentlemen, just a minute. The fact remains these plans were stolen last night. That's right. Wait, lights on, deliberately. Put the lights on, will you? The lights. Oh, there they are. A little light makes a lot of difference.
That's funny. Must have been a fuse.
Well, I thought it was another black tiger attack.
Where are the plans?
Are they gone?
They are.
They've disappeared.
What could have happened to them?
You take them, Cranston.
Around here? No, I haven't seen them.
Just a minute, gentlemen. Those plans were lying on the table when the lights went out. We know they didn't walk away. There are 7 of us in this room. One of us must have them.
Don't look at me like that. You don't think I took it?
I'm not accusing anyone. But no one leaves this room until those plans are found.
Well, that's fair enough.
Well, of course. It's a little unusual, but I'm perfectly willing to be searched.
So am I.
I demand to be searched.
Okay by me.
Oh, just a minute, Cranston. That goes for you, too.
All right, everybody relax. Help yourself, Weston.
All right, Prescott.
Thank you.
I apologize, gentlemen. You're all in the clear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Something's wrong with this.
Well, that's that. The papers are lying there on the table and they disappear. Like that.
Oh, no, Weston. Those plans went out that open window. And someone in this room threw them out. That means the Black Tiger must be one of our group, and risking almost certain detection the way he did means that he intends to use those plans in some scheme. Tell me, has anyone made an attempt to release that man Cardona arrested?
Nobody's been allowed to get near him.
Good. That gives me and it might work. Now, here's what I want you to do.
What they got you for?
Oh, honorable police, find valuable lost antique in my shop.
That stuff. You think you can beat the rap?
Oh, yes. Certain as sunrise in east.
Have you a good mouthpiece?
The best in city. And paid for in advance, too.
You're lucky. It's tougher for me.
Oh, yes. Have a cigarette?
Thanks. The cops took mine when they put me in here.
Oh, you take all mine. I expect to be released very soon now.
Thanks. You're a pal.
Perhaps there is something I could do for you.
Maybe you can.
Will you see Williams for me? You'll find him at the Front Street garage. There's an important job on for tonight. Tell him why I can't be there.
That is very easy.
And tell him the cops got nothing out of me. I told them the story, just like he said, and they fell for it.
Thank you very much.
All right, Ling Chang. You got a smart lawyer to get you out of here so quick.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right, go on, check out. But you'll be back.
Did you have a word about me?
Not a word. Go on, sit down, take it easy.
Hello? Oh, hello, Mr. Cranston.
Heard anything from Mr. Hill?
Yes, he called and said he's demonstrating your ray tonight and wants you to be there. He's very enthusiastic.
Tell him I can't be there. Make it definite so that he won't expect me.
All right, I understand. It's as good as done. Bye.
Goodbye, Margot. My plan's working, Vincent. We have a date at the Front Street garage tonight.
Mr. Hill, please. Mr. Cranston calling.
Stand by and keep your eyes open.
Hey, wait a minute. Get those bulbs out of the back and get them up front where they belong.
Oh, all right.
I'll lock the joint up.
Oh, Mr. Williams.
Oh, Lin Chang. Say, you sure get around. How'd you know I was here?
Oh, I have message from Mr. Harvey.
Yeah, where'd you see him?
When I have trouble with police, while I am arranging bail, I have opportunity to speak with him.
So they had you in the hose gal. Well, what did Harvey have to say?
Oh, he say you go ahead on job without him. Also, police get very important paper from him.
Yeah, I know. We got him back.
Oh, well, very glad. Warning unnecessary.
Well, thanks just the same. You're all right, Chang. But so long, I gotta scream. I got a big job on.
Oh, yes?
Now, let's get started.
What's this all about? Where are we going?
Well, the radio company's delivering Cranston's new rain nullifying machine to the airport. We stopped that truck and put the nitro balls in Cranston's machine.
Oh.
Here comes the radio truck.
Hey, what's the big idea cutting in front of me?
Pipe down, pipe down. We want your truck.
You what?
We want your... Get that door open. Get the nitro bulbs. Here we go.
Who's in there?
Open up the door.
Who are those men?
They're all right. Get to the safe airport as fast as you can. That's all, Mr. Hill.
Have all these bulbs been tested?
Oh, yes,
sir.
Thank you, boys. All right, gentlemen, we're just about ready to start. You're all here to witness the demonstration of a new invention. We're going to attempt to bring in a robot control plane from a distance of 20 miles. Gentlemen, you understand the real objective of this machine is to protect the planes from the Black Tiger's mechanical ray by Cranston's new nullifier.
In other words, if this works, the Black Tiger will be unable to bring down any more airplanes.
Exactly. Pardon me. Safeway Airlines, Hill talking.
This is the Black Tiger. Just a warning. Your experiment will fail, as have all others that have been tried against me.
The Black Tiger.
Another threat?
Yes. But I have confidence enough in Cranston's nullifier to go ahead.
You sure it's all right?
I'll chance it.
We're on Hill's wavelength now, sir, and he's starting to use the ray.
Feed the light impulses.
Takes a few moments for these tubes to warm up. The tube should be hot enough now. If the invention is right, we should soon hear the roar of the motor.
Turn it on faster.
It's on full power now, sir.
That's right. Hold it there. It'll only take a moment now.
Shut up! All of you!
Cranston, the Black Tiger will get your invention. Margot and Vincent are working in the laboratory. The Tiger's men break in. Vincent fights them off while Margot tries to escape with Cranston's invention. Vincent is knocked down. The invention is snatched from Margot. This is only one of the many exciting episodes seen in Wheels of Death, next week's thrilling chapter of The Shadow.